It's the commitment I want to hear from you starting today. But let me end with this challenge to each one of you, lalo na sa mga presidente. Okay? What is that one behavior that you will deliberately, intentionally adopt and exemplify during your term? Is it makikinig ako? Is it magiging pasensyoso ako? Is it gagawin ko kagad ang dapat gawin, hindi ako procrastinate? Is it up to you? Kahit isa lang. Because you know, change comes in real incremental steps. And if your members see that you're actually living, this behavioral trait that I want you to adopt, they will follow. Napaka-importante ng papel ng presidente at ng club leader. Because makikita nila sa inyo yung dapat gawin. At yung mga astig na past president sa mga club ninyo, katulad ko, pag nakita namin na yung presidente nagsusumikap, is trying his or her best, not perfect, but trying her best to reach out, to do her best, abay, mahihiya rin naman kami. Kasi yung mga miyembro, past president, charter president, president-elect, nominee, designate, kung ano man yan, or the garden variety, past president, what do they have in common? They are proud of their club. They want their club to succeed. They want to be identified with and associated with a club that is outstanding, that really helps. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Kaya ibang mga club, 50 taon, 80 taon, nandiyan pa rin. Because Rotary culture and values are exemplified through generations of leadership. So that's what we need to do. That's what I want to see from you starting today. And ito ang ating mga katuwang. Hindi sinadya na 6 sa 9 na miyembro ng District and Values Team ay galing sa Zone 4A, 4B, 5A, 5B. Galing sa Marikina at sa Rizal.
Wow!
Which, by the way, are my kind of Rotarians.
Congratulations, Marikina and
Kaya
Rizal.
kita nyo rito, ako yung tagapangulo, yung aking katuwang, ang co-chairman, hindi vice-chairman, co-chairman, ay si Governor Louie Tickman, ng napakagaling na club, na Rotary Club of Suburban East Rizal. Hindi ako suksita. At yung mga miyembro namin, sa Hotel Monaco, makahanap, si Past President Ray Carpio, ng Rotary Club of Rizal Centro. Magitin ko muna yung mga Zone 4, Zone 5, ha? Si Resty Bundok ng RC Teresa. O yan, yung Teresa nandiyan dyan. Siyempre,